baby, come and get a piece of mine. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. I just got to the train station. I just parked. I'm actually here by myself this time. I am heading into the city for a few reasons. The first thing is that I have 2 agency meetings with New York modeling agencies tomorrow, not tomorrow, what am I saying? Today. One's at 3 o'clock, one's at 4 o'clock. It's currently 10 a.m. and I just got to the train. Like I said, I'm about to pay to park. And then the second reason is that Lindsay, one of my best friends from that's like still living in LA, is actually in the city because she works for Diptyque. And they're doing like a meeting or something like that here in the city, so we get to hang out, which will be so fun. But tonight I'm just gonna take you guys with me along and see how it goes with the agencies. I'm so nervous. I don't have makeup on yet. I'm gonna do my makeup on the train. I got to the Fairfield station and I love going to this one because it's just easy. And yeah, I'm gonna pay for parking really quick and then get on the train. I have to pee so bad, so we are gonna go do that real quick and then get on the road. You guys, praise Jesus, we're in the hotel room. I actually checked in early, and a lot of times hotels are like, oh sorry, like, you know, we'll text you if a room becomes available. But oh my god, they put little fortune cookies on my bed. I actually just crushed one with my butt, but the other one is still intact. Which is so cute. Time for a sweet pause in your day. We hope you enjoy the fortune cookies and the positive vibes they bring for your stay at Arlo and beyond. Thanks for staying with us, Arlo Nomad. The girl was so sweet too. She was like, oh my god, your license picture is really cute, because they like ask for your license obviously to check in. But it's so cute in here. It's like super cozy and small, but it's really cute. I've stayed at a few Arlos before. But I really like the proximity of this one to everything I need to be doing. Both of my agencies that I'm seeing are literally like a 5-minute walk from here and like a 2-minute walk from each other. There's a Sweet Green, there's a Cha Cha Matcha, there's like a bunch of shit that I'm really excited for around this area. And guys, like, look at this view. You literally can't see it because my head is black, but like, oh my god, it's so nice. So nice little cozy hotel. I'm so glad that I was able to get in early. I did my makeup on the train, but now I'm like, I didn't even need to, but I just wanted to make sure because I didn't want to be like in a hotel lobby bathroom like for an hour, like trying to get myself ready and situated and everything. But it's nice because I can like change my shoes, go to the bathroom, like relax a little bit, decompress. Super easy, chill day so far. Fingers crossed that everything goes well. Honestly guys, I'm kind of freaking out. Like, I'm excited, but I'm also very nervous. So the heat or whatever just kicked in, but I'm just like so grateful that they even want to meet with me, like any of the agencies, because last week I got a text from my mother agent being like, one of the agencies that I really wanted to go for didn't want to even meet with me because I wasn't the size requirement for Curve. They wanted bigger sizes, and because I'm a 6'8", they are just not looking for girls my size, which was a super bummer. But I'm just grateful that I got this news this week. Honestly, even if nothing comes from it and, you know, I don't get signed, I just know it's not my time, but I'm hoping for the best. And I'm trying to tell myself that I have pretty good luck with interviews. Like, for me, the hardest part with modeling or with a lot of other just interviews in general is getting the interview, getting that like first foot in the door and having someone meet with me. Because a lot of times they're like, oh, you know, for modeling purposes, they're like, you're not the right size requirement, or maybe not the look they're going for, or for other jobs in the past, it's been like, oh, you know, maybe you're not qualified for this or that. But if I can just get in the door, I always nail it. I always do. So here's hoping.
I really miss you.
What you want, okay, and asking that for the universe, it comes to you effortlessly.
Here's my little outfit. I'm also gonna wear this. Leather trench and a little scarf. But this is what we're working with. Just a simple black bodysuit. These like loose baggy jeans, cute pair of boots. Basic, but simple and cute. I also just touched up my hair and makeup. So we're looking good. Sprayed some perfume, brushed my teeth. We're looking put together. So about to head out to my first meeting, and then got my second one, and then just gonna hang out, grab some dinner. I think I'm gonna get Sweet Green tonight and chill in my room. First meeting done, just finished, went really well. I actually worked with the agent at my previous New York agency, so she's like, oh, I remember you, like I already know you. So it went really well. I feel a lot better. I was so nervous going in and it was so chill. I always forget that it's like way more chill than you think it is. So now I have a little bit of time to kill. My next meeting is in like 25 minutes. It's like a 7-minute walk. So I'm gonna get over there. I'll just be early. And yeah, whew, feeling a lot better. Got back from both meetings. Picked up sweet green. I got the kale Caesar and I got the roasted sweet potatoes with honey mustard. Best combo. And I got the literal best Spindrift. This is the half and half. It tastes like an Arnold Palmer. It's so bomb. And I'm gonna put a show on or watch some YouTube and just chill. It's like 5:03, so it's early as hell. I have no plans tonight and I'm cool with that. I'm gonna take a nice shower, do my skincare, eat my dinner, watch some TV and go to sleep.
Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual.
Good morning, you guys. I am all skincared up, put a little bit of pimple cream on because I'm a little hormonal right now, so we're getting a little bit of acne, not even acne, just like little spots. And I hate when people with good skin are like, I have acne right now, shut up. So I'm not going to be that guy, but I think it was just like a combination of stress and whatnot. But we made it to Starbucks. I actually had kind of a funny morning. I woke up at the crack of ass. Like I literally woke up at like 5 a.m. super early, but then I kept like kind of falling back to sleep and like forcing myself to go back to sleep because I set an alarm for 6:30. And the alarm hadn't gone off yet. So I'm like, I know it's not 6:30 yet. So like it has to be way earlier than that. So I kind of just kept forcing myself to go back to sleep until finally I was like, all right, fuck it. Let me just actually open my eyes. And it was still dark outside too. That was another thing. I kept opening. I like slept with this window open and every time I'd open my eyes, it would still be dark outside. I'm like, okay, I can't wake up right now. That's like too crazy. So finally I got up at like 6 something and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get some Starbucks. The cafe downstairs doesn't open until 7. So I went and I mobile ordered some Starbucks. I start walking my way down and it's like very confusing directions. It's not telling me where to go necessarily. Like in this Starbucks, I couldn't find it on a regular Google Maps. It was only on the app. So I walk in to the Empire State Building. And there's like a security guard in there and I just walk into this Starbucks Reserve, which was like so beautiful. And they're like, hi, are you the one with the dozen croissants? And I'm like, no. And she's like, oh, I'm sorry, we don't open till 7. And I was like, I mobile ordered and it sent me here. They're like, there's like one right around the corner. I was like, it says here. And she was like, no, girl, it's not here, I promise. She was right. I look like an idiot. And I was wearing this all black sweatsuit with my hood on too. They probably thought I was a hooligan. Like, oh my God. And I looked crazy. I didn't have my pimple cream on yet, but I did look crazy. And so I finally made it, finally got my Starbucks. But it was cool because I was like, I woke up and I went outside and there was like not a single soul in the street. It was crazy. Like, you guys, my camera just ran out of storage. So I was deleting some things on this memory card. And this is a different memory card than I normally use because I left my other one at home. So this one had like so many things on it that I was just scrolling through of like our time in LA and like traveling. And I was just scrolling through so many memories. And this is why I love YouTube. Like, I was just in one of my agency meetings yesterday. They're like, what are your hobbies? And I was talking about YouTube as one of my hobbies. And like, although it's part of a job, it's like, I don't do YouTube for money. You guys see, like, my videos aren't like, I don't use clickbaity titles really. Like, I don't, you know, it's for the most part, it's a video diary for me and I just love it so much. And I love looking back on those memories and it made me want to like go back and watch my old videos, not like in a self-absorbed way. And like, I want to see those memories with my friends and family and people who I love. Oh my God, so cute, so sweet. Like I miss all those times. But anyways, yeah, I felt like I was the only person on the street in New York. It was pretty cool. So had a nice little morning to myself. It's 7 o'clock now, so I'm gonna start like pulling myself together a little bit. I have a few TikToks that I wanted to film. And then I'm gonna head over to my friend Lindsay's hotel and use the gym there because I'm staying there tonight. And she said she'd leave a key for me at the front desk. And yeah, because she's at work all day, so basically I'll be there by myself, and then I'm gonna grab lunch with my friend Ryan, and she found like a really cute place for us to go to, so I'm really excited. Should be fun. You guys, just got ready. I'm in Lindsay's hotel room. I went to the gym for a little bit, showered, got all ready. I'm going to meet my friend Ryan for like a late lunch, kind of like a brunch moment. And then I'm going straight from there to meet Lindsay at a cocktail bar when she gets out of work. So that's why I'm in this little like outfit. Hair and makeup's all done up. I'm not gonna bring my camera because I'm scared to lose it, but I will be vlogging on my phone. But you guys know when I'm like out and spending time with friends, I'm not the best vlogger. And I haven't seen Lindsay, I mean, since I moved from LA. So I really want to like spend time with her, catch up, and like have quality time because like I missed her so much. So I will like do little clips here and there, recap you guys tomorrow, but until then, probably won't be vlogging too much tonight, just a heads up. It is a few days later, as usual. What else is new? I took the weekend off from vlogging because we were celebrating. I got home Friday in the afternoon and I got a call from my mother agent that Wilhelmina, New York decided to offer me a contract, and I accepted it. So I signed the contract on Saturday. It's currently Monday. And so I hung out with some friends on Saturday night with Monica and Paris, and we were all just hanging out, having a good time. And then yesterday I just hung out with Frankie and his family and just like had a nice fun weekend. But I'm so ready to like get back into routine and get on my healthy eating and working out and just like being back into content creating and all of that. So super excited, so excited to take on the week and, you know, see what else is to come from signing with Wilhelmina. I'm so happy, so grateful, and this has been like such a great week for me. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I just got my nails done. I don't know if you can see, but this is gel overlay on my real nails. I took a break from, I used to do acrylic nails and like all of that, like the tips and everything, for so long when I first moved to LA. And even before that, but then like the last couple of years I really only did gel polish, and I really gave my nails a break from doing anything like super harsh to them. I was also eating collagen every day, or taking collagen every day, and making sure that I'm like eating healthy and like taking care of my nails and like really giving them a break from anything like, again, super harsh. So I actually just went a month without getting like fresh shellac. I had gel polish on my fingernails. They lasted a month without breaking at all, which was pretty impressive. So I was like, okay, I think I just want to, and they grew out super fast and super long, and they were like, it was still very thin gel polish, and they were like so hard and like sturdy, like they were not flimsy at all. So I was like, wow, okay, I feel like my nails are ready for me to do just like gel overlay on top and like a nice clear pinky color on my over top of the gel overlay, and just like let them grow out and like, you know, have my natural nails be pretty and long and whatever. So I'm really happy about that. Just like super random, but yeah, today is going to be a chill Monday. I need to unpack all my stuff from over the weekend because I spent the night at Monica's on Friday. No, lies. I spent the night at Monica's on Saturday, and then I spent the night at Frankie's parents' house last night. So I have just all my stuff in suitcases and bags over there. I look like a crazy bag lady. And then I have this video to edit. I have some emails and TikTok things that I need to catch up on. I need to just clean up my room, light a candle, have a nice chill day. I'm also meeting Monica. It's 10:30. I'm meeting Monica at the gym at 11:30. So we're going to do a nice leg day workout. We're just going to jump right back into it. I feel like after a long weekend of traveling and going out and being social and drinking and eating and all of that, like I got like 10 hours of sleep last night, and I still woke up feeling kind of tired. Like I've had like 2 coffees and I'm still tired. So I think that like today just needs to be like a reset day, and I'm just gonna like push through. But I'm definitely gonna still go to bed early, and then I think tomorrow I'm gonna wake up feeling really great. I'm also like in the middle of my period, so I'm like day 4, so that's another contributing factor as to why I feel a little bit lethargic. But you know what, it's all good. We're gonna push through. We're gonna have a great day. Everything's gonna be fine. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of take today to like reset, get my life back on track and set myself up for success for the week. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. I'm glad you guys got to come along with me on this journey. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.
Gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed.